Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. So it's pretty simple. So you just have to follow me. So first of all, you just have to open up your TikTok app. After opening up, you just have to tap on the plus icon, which is on bottom mid. And here you have to select multiple photos and tap on next. After selecting those photos, now you guys can see my swipe feature is working. And suppose if your swipe feature is not working, then I'll tell you how to fix this. You just have to go back. After going back, you have to tap on the profile icon, and here you have to tap on the top right corner of settings and tap on settings and privacy. Here you have to just scroll down and you have to tap on free app space. After tapping on it, you have to tap on clear cache and clear download. After tapping on both of these, your TikTok storage will be cleared, and it will fix your bugs in your app, and you guys can be able to use swipe feature in TikTok. And if the problem still not fixed, then don't worry about it. You have to just open up your phone settings. So after opening up your phone settings, you have to search for apps. So after opening up your phone apps, you have to just search for TikTok, and here it is. You just have to clear the cache and clear storage. So after clearing the cache data and storage data, you have to just force stop the app. After force stopping the app, it will clear our bugs and glitches in your app, and in this way you guys can be able to use swipe feature in your TikTok. That's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.